So we're trying to find the old swimming spot, but they built like 6 freaking resorts and got rid of all the dirt paths. So it came to like this storage area for ski crap, and we're driving around